Sophia and I are out exploring together. Today, I bought.
A brand new iPhone 18 Pro Max. We got it at a great price. Good morning,
Sophia and I.
Emma. What's one thing you want to achieve this year?
I want financial freedom before 35.
That's ambitious. What's your first step?
Creating multiple income streams instead of depending on one job.
Smart move. Good morning, Emma. Today you only get $20.
And you get $200? That's unfair.
Let's see who finds the better meal.
Challenge accepted. Would you
Emma,
rather live in New York or Texas?
Texas.
Bigger houses and less stress.
I still love New York's energy.
That's because you love crowds. Would you rather
What's your
live
favorite thing about Miami?
the energy?
Mine is definitely the food.
Food is always your answer.
Have you ever watched videos like these and thought, wait, these people aren't even real? Well, you're absolutely right. Every single vlog you're seeing right now is completely generated using artificial intelligence. You can create these exact AI vlogging videos completely for free and potentially start making money online today. Imagine having your own AI personality exploring New York City, shopping for the latest gadgets, visiting luxury restaurants, traveling around America, and posting videos every single day without ever leaving your house. In this video, I'll show you exactly how beginners can create AI vlogging for free. We're even going to create an AI influencer who will appear alongside our AI avatar. By the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to start your own AI vlog channel. Let's begin. The very first thing you'll need is your own AI avatar. Think of this as your digital version. This avatar will become the face of your AI vlog channel. You can use your own photo, create a custom AI character, or even design a completely fictional personality. The choice is yours. I personally recommend creating a consistent avatar because consistency helps viewers recognize your content. Once your avatar is ready, we're going to create an AI influencer companion. Now let's open Google Flow. If you don't have an account yet, simply log in first. Once you're inside, click on New Project. You'll see a prompt box waiting for your instructions. Now we're going to add our avatar. Inside the prompt box, type the @ symbol. Then choose your avatar that you've already uploaded. Great. Now we need an AI influencer. For that, open ChatGPT. Type this prompt. I want to create an image of a female AI influencer with a realistic American appearance. Wait a few moments while ChatGPT generates the image. Once you find an image you like, click on it and download it. Now, let's go back to Google Flow. Click the plus sign, select Upload Media, choose the AI influencer image you just downloaded, upload it. Once the upload is complete, click Add to Prompt. At this point, both characters are connected inside your project. Continue the prompt by typing, "Are vlogging in the United States." Now let's add the dialogue. My friend Sophia and I are out exploring together. The girl says enthusiastically, "Today I bought a brand new iPhone 18 Pro Max." The man replies in an excited tone, "We got it at a great price." Then they both laugh happily. Now let's configure the settings. Click Nano Banana. Choose the video option. Keep ingredient selected. Select either 9:16 if you're creating shorts, TikTok videos, or Instagram reels, or choose 16:9 if you're creating regular YouTube videos. I'll select 16:9. Next, keep it at 1 generation. Choose the Omni Flash model, then select 10 seconds. Everything is ready. Now click Generate. This is where AI begins working its magic. Give it a few moments. Once the video is ready, preview it.
Sophia and I are out exploring together. Today, I bought.
A brand new iPhone 18 Pro Max. We got it at a great price.
You'll be amazed at how realistic these videos have become. But here's a professional tip. Never expect perfection on the first try. If you want changes, simply edit the prompt. For example, type this: change the man's outfit to a white crew neck t-shirt layered with a blue denim jacket. Have both of them walk side by side while vlogging and smiling at the camera. Then click Generate again. Now preview the new version.
Sophia and I are out exploring together. Today, I bought
A brand new iPhone 18 Pro Max. We got it at a great price.
As AI technology evolves, each generation can look slightly different. If the result isn't perfect, don't worry. Generate again. Experiment with different prompts. Sometimes one extra sentence can completely transform the quality of your video. Now here's an important secret that many beginners don't understand. You do not need to create a 10-minute video in one shot. Instead, create multiple 10-second clips. Then combine them together. Suddenly, you have a long-form vlog. This is exactly how many AI creators are producing content today. Now let's talk about money, because I know that's why many of you clicked on this video. There are several ways to monetize AI vlog videos. The first way is YouTube monetization. Once you qualify for the YouTube Partner Program, your videos can generate ad revenue. The second method is affiliate marketing. Imagine your AI influencers reviewing gadgets. You can place affiliate links in the description. Whenever someone purchases a product through your link, you earn a commission. The third method is brand sponsorships. As your channel grows, brands may approach you. The fourth method is creating digital products. You can sell AI prompts, templates, ebooks, courses, or guides. The fifth method is creating content for businesses. Many businesses are actively looking for AI creators, and trust me, the demand is growing extremely fast. These ideas can generate millions of views, if done consistently. And remember something important. This AI revolution is still early. The people who start now have a massive advantage. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button. Subscribe to the channel because I'll be showing more free AI tools, AI video techniques, AI side hustles, and online money-making opportunities. And most importantly, don't just watch this video and forget about it. Open these tools today, create your first AI vlog, because 1 year from now, you will either wish you had started today or you'll be happy that you did. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.